10 amazing ideas to earn money online. Making some extra cash doesn't actually have to be that complicated. At the end of the day, it all boils down to what your goals are and just how much you're looking to automate your income. So, could you make an extra $200 a month? Sure. How about an extra $1,000 per month? How would that change your life? To most, it would make a monumental difference. But what if we are talking thousands more per month, or even tens of thousands more? How would that alter the trajectory of your life? Clearly, you can make real money with just some internet access. You just have to decide how much of your time it's worth. So let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 10 amazing ideas to earn money online. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. With the world changing and people having more flexibility to work from anywhere than ever before, there's never been a better time to start your own business from home. While we all have some extra time, it often doesn't feel like it. But it also doesn't take too much effort to make some extra dough on the side with some home jobs. We're not talking about millions upon millions here. We're mostly talking about doing small, bite-sized projects to generate some extra income. And depending on your skill set, you could easily make a few $100s or even a few extra $1,000s per month with remote work. So let's talk about these 10 amazing income ideas you can opt at the comfort of your home. Become a freelance writer. Do you love expressing yourself with words? Writing could be the perfect job for you. The life of a writer allows you to work from home or anywhere, as long as you have a computer, internet access, and a phone. There are tons of opportunities out there, whether working for online magazines and websites or writing for companies creating their blog posts, branded content, newsletters, or press releases. You can start your own blog to showcase your work and land your first paid opportunities. The more experience you have, the more you will earn. And with freelance writing, the sky is the limit. Become a virtual assistant. You can earn some great money working from home for a few hours a day by becoming a virtual assistant. The beauty of this job is that it can be done from home, and it can be done on a freelance basis. Some gigs last a day, and some can last for weeks or months. In addition, virtual assistants need to have strong administrative skills, be highly organized, and work across many fascinating industries like blogging and social media. And there are different types of tasks a virtual assistant can help a business with. Some companies use a VA to keep up with emails, customer service online, calendar updates, arrange meetings, share blogging updates, and manage social media accounts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Pinterest. Start dropshipping. If you own a business of selling products, you must know how painful it is to hold the stock for a long time. But guess what? There is a way to make money from home without worrying about all that. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without ever seeing them or having to invest thousands of dollars in inventory. You work with a supplier who will ship items to your customers from their warehouse. But how do you make money? You make money by selling the products to your customers at a higher price than the dropshipping company charges you. So if you want to earn money from home without having to invest a fortune, dropshipping is a great business model. But be mindful that you need to select the right product and a niche that isn't oversaturated. There are very low margins, and you need to differentiate yourself through marketing. So, dropshipping can be a great flexible work-from-home idea, and with the proper planning and research, you can build a profitable business. Start teaching online. Did you know that you can make money teaching kids online, even if you are not a qualified teacher? Some websites like Outschooled let you teach any subject, including cooking, acting, or singing. So, you will simply need to go through some background checks. Plus, you'll need to make a video of an example class to show them you can teach. Once you are approved, you can start to promote your classes and make money. On average, teachers on Outschool earn $35 per teaching hour. And if you pick the right classes to teach and organize your schedule cleverly, you could even make over $10,000 a month. Become a virtual travel agent. I know working as a travel agent right now might sound a bit weird, but hey, soon, everyone is going to be looking for a longest vacation they ever had. And a lot of people are already planning big. So if you enjoy organizing trips, becoming a virtual travel agent may be the perfect way to make money from home. Travel agents have a super fun job. They get to shop around for the best deals on vacation packages and accommodations for their clients. You can help people plan family vacations, romantic honeymoon trips, and backpacking adventures. To assist you in the process, most travel agents partner with various companies to receive discounts to offer clients. In addition, working with a travel agent is usually free for the traveler, but you'd make your money from the hotels and travel companies you work with. Whenever your client books through you and uses your partner, you'll earn a commission from them. Plus, you can score discounted travel for yourself as well, and you don't need any specific certification to become a travel agent. Ultimately, your knowledge of destinations, the capacity for planning, and booking software will be the crucial bits you'll need. Graphic designing. If you are a creative person and love designing different things, you can make money from home using your Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator skills. Graphic designers do more than just design websites. They also design logos, flyers, promotional materials, business cards, and more. Graphic designers earn a median income of $46,900 per year. But you can make more if you take a bigger project or work for yourself. Think about it. If you design 8 websites per month for $500 each, that's $4,000 per month. Add in another $1,000 for miscellaneous design tasks, and that's $5,000 per month or $60,000 per year. Social media manager. If you love social media, but you are not keen to create your own brand or blog, you can become a social media marketing manager. Pretty much every company under the sun has a social media presence, but managing all these accounts can become time-consuming, especially for smaller brands. And this is when they will need your help. So, running a social media account like Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, or Twitter is a great way to make money from home. Become an Airbnb host. Make money at home with your home. If you have an extra room or even a guest house that you're not using, see if you can rent it out on Airbnb. Airbnb provides you with all the tools and resources needed to list your place and start booking visitors. New hosts can even get their earnings estimated depending on where they live. If you live in a larger city near a lot of tourist spots, you may even be able to earn a full-time income with Airbnb. Airbnb also allows hosts to be pretty hands-off if they wish. You can communicate with guests via the app's texting feature, and you can also set up your own check-in process with a lockbox or similar setup if you aren't around. Sell your crafts online. How about monetizing your creativity by selling your own products and crafts? If you love to craft and DIY, there's no reason why you shouldn't take a shot at selling your creations online. The challenging part may be figuring out and sell first. Start by considering what you're good at making. Then think about what others would like and research the market for specific items. Do you regularly get compliments on certain things you own or have made personally? You don't have to be super crafty to make money from home with your own products. You can design your own products and commission someone else to make them for you if you like. Sell services on Fiverr. Fiverr has grown significantly since its inception. Today, it's a vast marketplace for freelance work where you can sell just about any service under the sun. This is great if you're looking to make money online as a digital nomad, or even while sitting at home on your laptop while in your pajamas. What specifically can you sell on Fiverr? Anything from graphics and design services to digital marketing, freelance writing and translation services, video and animation services, music and audio, programming and application development, business services, and lifestyle services that include anything from celebrity impressions to gaming. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Which investment did you like the most? Share with us in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.